Ever wondered how to create a classic French ratatouille without hogging the stovetop for ages? Today, we're speeding things up with a microwave-friendly approach that keeps the taste but ditches the fuss. Get ready to quickly soften diced zucchini, peppers, and onions, then layer on aromatic herbs. It's rustic magic, minus the hassle. Start by chopping your vegetables into uniformly sized pieces, ensuring they cook evenly. Place them in a microwave-safe dish, then drizzle with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of salt. Cover with a vented lid or wrap. The microwave's quick heat helps lock in the natural juices while preserving bright color and a fresh flavor. Microwave for around 3 minutes. Stir gently, then zap for another 2 minutes. This short burst effectively softens the veggies without turning them soggy. Next, toss chopped tomatoes into the mix for a vibrant touch. Let the steam work its magic, melding flavors faster than traditional methods, while keeping those essential nutrients intact. For a finishing flourish, sprinkle thyme, basil, and a pinch of pepper on top. Return everything to the microwave for 30 seconds to blend those rustic herbs with the tender vegetables. Serve hot, accompanied by crusty bread or a protein of choice. In no time, you've transformed humble produce into genuine Provençal comfort.